Study to determine the risk for myocardial infarction at a young age. 30 young patients with the condition are recruited into the study group. 60 similar but healthy individuals are recruited into the control group. Educational status is considered to be an important variable as it would affect the awareness of the disease and its risk factors among the participants. Based on the level of education, two groups are formed: low educational status and high educational status. A chi-square test is performed to test the significance of the relationship, and an odds ratio of 2.1 was computed for the association between low education and the risk of MI, with a confidence interval of 0.9 to 9.7. What inference can be made on the association between young age MI and educational status from this study? So basically, we found an odds ratio to be of 2.1, but there is a confidence interval which involves this odds ratio, so it is significant, but it is also not significant because it involves a confidence interval 1. That is, odds ratio 1 doesn't sound good because it does not show any relation. Now here there was this confidence interval was given to us. Now confidence interval included the odds ratio 2.1, but it also included the odd ratio of 1. That is, there is no association. The association is not statistically significant and education is not a risk factor. So here is an explanation to it. For low educational status, an odds ratio of 2.1 and a confidence interval of 0.9 to 9.7 are obtained. The odds ratio of 2.1 signifies that low educational status is likely a risk factor, but a conclusion should only be made after considering the confidence interval or the p-value. If the confidence interval contains the null value, then it becomes statistically non-significant. For the odds ratio, the null value is 1 because that is when the odds of being exposed compared to the non-exposure would be the same. As the confidence interval holds equal significance for all values within the given limits, a confidence interval of 0.9 to 9.7 means there has to be equal significance for an odds of 0.9, 1 and 2.9, which is impossible. Hence, it becomes statistically non-significant. We can conclude that the association is not statistically significant and low educational status cannot be considered a risk factor for developing MI at a younger age.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.